Hey guys, today we'll talk about how is pure water made from groundwater. Groundwater comes from rains and surface water that infiltrates to underground, is stored in the cracks and poles of bedrock. But where do we get groundwater? Well, we can drill a well and make it deep into the aquifer layer under the water table. And now, we can pump enough water from the well to the raw water tank for the water treatment process. Now, let's start the RO water treatment system. Raw water is pumped into the pre-treatment filters by booster pump. Then stage 1 of the RO process begins. Cold sand filter removes the muck, turbid matter, colloids, particle substances, and suspended matter. Stage 2. The activated carbon filter absorbs the color, the old, free chlorine, and pesticide, etc. Stage 3. The water softener removes the calcium and magnesium ions in water by cation exchange resin and reduces the water hardness. Stage 4. The precise filter is a security protection device before the RO membrane system that removes the residual muck, rocks, colloids, and suspended matter by its 5 filter cartridges. Then it comes to stage 5, the RO process. When raw water is pumped into the RO membrane system, high raw water pressure driven by multi-stage pump compresses the RO membrane wall. Pure water will pass through the membranes, while bacteria, virus, rust, heavy metal, and all other unwanted ions will be rejected by the membranes, and the rejected water will flow and be discharged to the drain. Stage 6. The treated water will flow through the UV sterilization device. Bacteria and virus will be killed by the UV light at the meantime. Finally, the product water will flow to the product water tank and is ready for the bottling process. Well, any method to prolong the quality guarantee period, we can also sterilize the product water thoroughly and continuously by an ozone machine to realize it.